Top med spas are losing thousands of dollars every single month because they're missing calls all day long. But the crazy part is that you can fix this for them in one afternoon and charge them $2,000 to $3,000 just to do it. Now, most med spas have great service and they spend a lot of money to get leads to call them. But when the phone rings, they don't answer. The receptionist is busy dealing with clients, doing admin work, or it's after hours, or it's the weekend. And every one of those missed calls is $200 to $300 going to the next med spa down the street. But with AI, you can build a voice receptionist that sounds human, that can book appointments, that can answer calls 24/7, doesn't take sick days, doesn't complain, and costs a fraction of what a human receptionist does. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find med spas that desperately need this, how you can actually build them and package it into an offer for them that you can charge thousands of dollars every single month. And that is the key, because you don't want one-off payments. You want recurring revenue building up so you get paid for not having to work anymore. So if you've been looking for a simple AI service that you can sell to local businesses near you that doesn't require you to be technical, then this might be one of the easiest things that you can do in 2026. Let's jump into it. So the first thing I want to show you is that you can literally just go to Google Maps and search med spa near you, right? And if you open that up, you can see that there's a bunch of med spas here. Now you might be tempted to go to the bottom of the page and try and find one that you think is struggling, right? Because they might need the most help. But that's not exactly true. You want to find a med spa in a business that is actually getting an abundance of calls. We want them to be doing well already. So we want to look near the top of Google. And like one that has 592 reviews and a 4.9 rating, trust me, their phones are ringing off the hook. But the issue is that it says that they're closed, right? And if you call them at 8, 9, 10 p.m., or if you fill out the form on their website, likely nobody is going to get back to you until 8 a.m. the next day. That is lost and missed revenue that we can help them capture. And this is something you can actually test for yourself at local businesses near you just by calling them at night. Now let me actually show you how to build this thing. So the software that we're going to be using to build this software is one called Go High Level, and it's one of the greatest softwares that exists on the planet. It can do anything you can imagine for a local business, including building them fully built AI voice receptionists. Now what you're seeing here is my white label version of Go High Level, so it has my name and my logo on it because I obviously sell it to my clients as well. And mine is more geared towards AI automation agencies, which is probably what you're interested in. I'm going to give you a demo right now of a voice receptionist that I just built. But as you're watching this, if you're interested in actually participating and getting access to the software, plus the prompt that I used to actually write this receptionist, you get access to all of that inside of my free school community, inside of the link in the description. So you can pause the video, you can go apply to the school, and then by the time the video is done, you can get the software and you can put it all into action. At the end of the video, I'll show you exactly how to get set up step by step as well. So now let's actually get this receptionist to actually call my phone right here, right now. And there you go. So my phone's ringing. Now let's actually talk to her.
Hey, this is Sarah from Luxury Med Spa. How can I help you today?
Hey, Sarah. How's it going today?
Hey, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you? What can I help you with today?
Yeah, I'm doing really well. Can you tell me about your services? What do you offer?
Of course. We offer a range of treatments like Botox, dermal fillers, microneedling, laser hair removal, chemical peels, facials, skin tightening, and PRP treatments. Each service is tailored to help with things like anti-aging, skin rejuvenation,
Yeah, that's awesome.
or hair removal.
What's the name of your founder?
Our founder is Dr. Patricia Chen. She started Luxury Med Spa about 8 years ago after working in dermatology for 15 years. She wanted to create a space where people could feel comfortable and confident getting top-notch treatments.
I love that. Can I book an appointment?
Totally. Let me check what's available for you. One sec. Here are some options for you. Tomorrow, June 18th at 8 a.m. or 12 o'clock p.m. Or Friday,
Yeah,
June
let's
19th
do
at 8
tomorrow.
a.m. or 12.
Let's do tomorrow at the earliest.
Got it. Tomorrow, June 18th at 8 a.m. Could you share your email address so I can send you the booking confirmation?
And there you go. So you get the idea. She's actually going to book the appointment. I'm going to show you how I set that up as well. But she's going to send me a confirmation SMS and email. But you get the idea. So she has tonality. She can speak the way like a human would. She takes pauses. She says she says This is all programmed. The voice receptionists are getting really good. And I want to show you exactly how we built this and how you can actually sell this to med spas near you. So we're going to go into the AI agent section over here. Now, normally you can come over here, you can click create a custom agent. What I'm going to do is just show you the one that I just built. So this is for Sarah over here. Now, it might look a bit complicated at first glance, but trust me, it's not. It's very simple. I want to focus on the left-hand side of this page right here, right now. So basically, this is called the prompt. Now, the prompt are just a set of instructions that we give to the receptionist on how you should talk, how you should behave, what you can say, what you can't say, all of those things like that. So the prompt is really 90% of the work. And I'm going to provide you with my custom written prompts plus my prompt writing framework inside of the school. So I don't want you to worry about writing the best prompts ever. We know what's working. I have, dozens of engineers who've written the greatest prompts on planet Earth. Some of the top voice receptionists that you've ever heard likely came from my frameworks. So I just want to give you that. You get that with the software, no problem. Now, in terms of the voice, you can choose which voice you want. I picked Hope over here because it's one of the highest rated ones, but you can listen to these other ones here and decide whichever one you like. Pick your voice. It can be male or female, different languages as well. So you can pick your language here at the top. So if you're German, Spanish, French, Portuguese, bunch of languages that you can decide from right there. So don't worry about the prompt. Use my prompt writing framework that we have inside of the school. Here on the right hand side, this is where there's different components here. So you've got actions, knowledge base, call settings, behavior, transcription, speech. So you can go through all of these one by one and just pick what your preference is. So let's start with actions. Now, actions are how can we bring this receptionist to life? What that means is that I don't want it to just talk back and forth. I want it to be able to do things. So what kind of things it's going to do? It can send SMSs, it can send emails, it can trigger workflows, it can book appointments, it can transfer live calls. So if the receptionist encounters a question it doesn't know how to answer, transfer it to a human being, maybe the actual real receptionist, transfer it to the founder. It can do live transfers. If I click on add a new action, these are the options I just listed out over here. Send an SMS, call transfer, all of that stuff. So it's pretty powerful. It's not just a conversation. This is a real living entity that can make decisions for its business. If you scroll down, you've got the knowledge base. Now, the knowledge base, what this means is, what is the brain of this business? What of this receptionist? What does it actually know? And this is where you dump everything you can possibly about the business. Their website link, their social medias, any training documents, any manuals. Give it as much as you can, and then it can answer questions like the address or who works here or all of these things like that. Because you make a good knowledge base, it can answer questions accordingly. Now, call settings. So this is how you can actually configure, how long the calls can be, how short they can be, all of that stuff right there. Agent behavior. So this is what I was talking about earlier, right? So how quickly does it actually respond? Does it interrupt people? Does it have back channeling? What this means is like, does it say, yeah, does it stutter? Does it pause? This makes it more human. And you can actually choose how frequently it does that, which is really cool. It can stay silent when you want it to. Then over here, you've got specific pronunciations for different words. So you get the idea. This is so crazy, right? Like you can get so specific and granular with this. And there's so much stuff you can do over here, like the voice. How quickly does it speak, for example? Voice speed, voice temperature, voice volume. You can mess around with all this stuff. I don't want to go on and on about all the settings it has because I do a deep dive inside of my free course anyway for you. But I'm just showing you what the opportunity is, right? And then once you've actually built it, you can test it here. So you can make a direct web call directly from here. It'll call you inside of your browser. Hey, Sarah. How are you doing? Yeah, I don't want to get into that because I don't even know if you can hear me. I don't know if I'm recording my screen. But you get the transcript over here. You get the recordings and all of that stuff. Then finally, how do you deploy it? So you can actually deploy this by connecting it to the MedSpa's actual number by porting their number into the system. But if you prefer, you can actually just get them a new number, and this can be their voice AI line. So they can put this in their Google My Business, they can put this on their website. Whenever someone calls that specific number, then it's only going to be the voice agent. That's what I prefer. I like to keep it separate. So there's a human number, and then there's a voice receptionist number. They decide who they put it in front of. Now over here, you can pick the working hours. So if you only want an after hours agent, you can do that as well. So we can say, hey, no risk to you guys. Why don't we just set up this agent that after 8 p.m., the agent is going to turn on. So now your business operates like normal, but between 8 and 11:30 or 8 to the morning, let my receptionist take over so you guys aren't missing any calls. You can sell it as an after hours agent. There's absolutely nothing wrong with doing that. So I'm going to save this over here and head out. Now, what I would suggest as a sales process is you go to these med spas, right? And you basically say, look, I called you at 8 p.m., I called you at 9 p.m. Nobody got back to me until the next day. What I've gone ahead and done is built you a demo for a voice receptionist. I think you're going to love it. Here's the number, talk to it, try it out, and let me know what you think. I always recommend building it first. It's something that I like to call the drug dealer method. Like, what does a drug dealer do? Before they get you hooked on their product, they give you samples. They let you try it. Then when you like it, you see it working, and you feel the effects, then you're like, shit, I need to buy this thing. Let me actually go and purchase it. So give out your number, let them try it out for a week. It's not a lot of work to you. I'm giving you the prompt framework and all of that stuff anyway. So you can just make a bunch of demos, and that's how you're going to close a bunch of deals. Now, finally, like I mentioned, if you do want access to the software, the prompts, and all of the templates I mentioned to you, plus just training on how to start an AI business from start to finish, go to school.com/automate, which is going to be the top link in the description, plus in the comments as well. I've got this 100% free course that you can follow that tells you exactly how to get the software that I just showed you, how to get my prompt templates and all of that. Once you do join, you get access to a private school community that we have here with an even better, more in-depth master course that covers everything from how to find your niche, how to form your business, how to build automations, your offer, sales and outreach, cold emails, resources like prompts, templates, all of that stuff. Everything you see on my YouTube, you'll get access to inside of this private group right here. And of course, you can message me anytime. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Otherwise, join the school and I'll see you inside. Take care.